Okay guys, welcome to car racing. This is my first car race in the tournament and I hope you will support me by subscribing to my channel, subscribing to this video, subscribing to more views, and let's start. Location, let's go here. Oh, okay. I'm not sure whether we should be driving left or right. Let's say, okay, brake buddy, brake. I don't want to win anything. I just want to drive safe. That's all. Okay. Oh. Hmm. Okay. Okay. What a beautiful road. Okay. 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 Good one. That's good one. I think I'm driving pretty well for the first time I'm playing this, and I'm driving pretty well. I don't know what's the score and how to look at it, but my speed seems to be good and I think I'm driving pretty well. I haven't uh, crashed to somebody, and let's see how it goes. Oh, there are too many trucks in front of me. What to do now? Brake. Okay. Okay. Plus 10, I don't know for what reason. But here I go. Hey, I think I'm really driving well, man. What do you say? Can you comment below and let me know how did I drive? Man. Hey, what happened? Continue. I think I already... Oh my god. Yeah, I'm overspeeding or what? Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay, I think I am done for my first stint at car racing, and I think I'm gonna participate more. Thanks for watching, guys. Thank you.